Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alex, and in today's video we are doing a recap on the Fimi Palm gimbal camera. So the purpose of this video is that, as I said, it's a recap, and the reason why I wanted to do this is because I've had to play around with it. I haven't gone through all the features, but I just wanted to show you what the picture quality looks like. One of the downfalls of this video is that at the moment the memory card that I've got, it's not suitable for 4K videos. So I've gone and purchased a new SD card. It's the SanDisk Extreme Pro. So hopefully I'm going to do another recap, and hopefully do a video with 4K videoing, because in this video I've used 1080p at 60 frames per second. So hopefully after I do that video we can do a comparison and see if the memory card also makes a difference on quality. So as we know, memory card makes a difference on quality, so I'm going to give you that detail here of the card I'm using. And also I'll give you the firmware details of the gimbal itself, because obviously firmware will also make a difference. There might be later further updates that might enhance the quality of the gimbal, but these are the specifications currently that is being installed on this gimbal. So I've done various videos. I've done like running shots, I've done walking, pans, autofocusing. What I wanted to do is give you a picture of different kind of scenarios that you'll be involved in, and also what I've done is I've only used ultra wide, because there's so many different settings, so many different variations. I thought I'd keep it simple. Maybe in the future I'll do a longer video and do a whole kind of different features so you can see how all the other functionalities work. So without further ado, let's start the video. hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, write them down below. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Like I said, in my next video, I'm going to do the videoing with 4K, so you can see the difference from 1080p and 4K once that card comes. See you guys next time. Peace.